say that I wasn't addicted, and it's been a while since I couldn't say I love myself as well.